So this is Dad's new garage. As you can see, started getting some boards up. Now these are all tongue and groove, which if you look on this one you can see. So what we did was we actually made our own tongue and groove. We got a couple routers and did that ourselves. And guys, if you guys get a router, you guys can save a lot of money by doing this yourself, because man, them tongue and groove boards are expensive as crap. It's a lot cheaper just to get you a router. So much cheaper just buying a router and doing it yourself. Dad, he's on the inside handing boards to Brent. You get it?
I think it's warped. You need a hammer or something to warp something.
Well, there it goes. We'll come do this side first then. Okay, we got it. So the purpose of this tongue and groove, of course, is to make the board stronger if something hits or whatever. Not only is it the screws holding it on, but these help. The tongue and groove keeps it from popping out. So, oh, got it. So I don't think we've got enough to do the whole thing yet. I think they're gonna have to buy some more boards. Of course, it gets smaller as you get towards the front, but ain't gonna take much more, and be able to do some concrete. Now, I don't think he's gonna go dig this out anymore. I think what he's gonna do is he's gonna put some rock on the inside, big rock, then put some small rock on top of that, then pour the concrete.
The elbow in it, no. That might be a problem.
Yeah. You broke it.
That's pretty much the idea. You cut through all the way, did it? Not as far as I'd hope.
And I'm sorry, ladies, he's not available.
I've only been asked that a couple times. Never.
And you told both them guys no, didn't you?
Absolutely. You don't have to tell you what to do or anything. It would have been easier just to do like that. No. Been easier if I had a chisel. I may be back in a half hour, but I can get you one. Nah.
Sorry guys, I didn't realize my glove was in front of the camera.
It's okay. Everybody knows what we look like. Yeah, this may be fun.
Jack it up right in the middle.
A few salmon coming.
It's a pretty big bow. I don't know how well you can see in here. It's kind of dark, but it's going to be a pretty good little workspace when it's done. So some of these boards are so bad bowed in the middle. I'm going to put some boards right in the center, right here and right here, to try to lift it up. Because like I said, it's just bowed real bad. It's a bad thing about getting boards at a box chain store. They get shipped all over the place. They're still green. And by the time they get to their destination, they're so damn warped you can't hardly use them. And then in here, they had some riprap, some great big rocks. So I went ahead and I started putting them up there. And then covered them up with a little rock. So that way they can start going in there and start settling. We're going to need a lot more of that riprap though, because I mean, it just takes forever to fill this up with a little rock. Costs a lot of money, so got that big corner. Then like I said, I think he's actually going to come down here and rake a lot of that up, because he actually wants a fairly tall ceiling. So he's going to kind of dig down, probably come in with some lime or some light rock later and kind of smooth it out real thin, and then have concrete guys come in and concrete it and cut it and all that. So, but we got half the boards up. Now we just got to do this half here, which is not as low as this side was, so it ought to go pretty quick. It's definitely starting rotting down anyway. Shouldn't be that hard to get out. Gave my tractor a little too much oomph and killed it, which I'll start up here in a little bit. Probably just hook the chain around, down around here around the bottom. Try to back my tractor up as far as I possibly can, because I don't want that chain to break and hit me in the back of the head. So I'll just try to pull it out with that, and my dad's probably prying on it on the other side. He's going to dig it out a little bit more, which it needs dug out more. at a time. So I gotta get a new throttle cable. It was like this when I bought it, the knob was gone. Alright, let's get this thing out of here. This is a big tractor. It's probably 6 foot about up here pretty close. So that tells you how big this root is. So I'm trying to get under. Alright, she's out of the hole. Where we gonna shove it?
Gonna have some teamwork going on here. Teamwork! Teamwork makes the dream work. Time to fill in the hole.
We hope you enjoyed watching Chamberlain Family Farms. You can contact us at chamberlainff@gmail.com. You can also check us out on Facebook, Chamberlain Family Farms. We hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe.